Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the homemade chicken tikka pizza. Let's see what are the ingredients we needed. For the pizza dough, here I'm taking half tablespoon yeast, 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon sugar. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Then you can add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I'm adding, and I added 1 teaspoon salt, and you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it with a wooden spoon first, and then you can knead the dough in the stand mixer if you have. Otherwise you can do with your hand as well. Knead it well until you get a smooth dough. Then add few drops of oil. Cover the dough with a damp cloth or a plastic wrap, and let it sit in the warm place for at least 2 to 3 hours. Let's make a homemade pizza sauce. Here I'm taking 1 tablespoon olive oil, and I added 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Saute for 1 minute, and then you can add 14-ounce jar of tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes if you have. Let it saute well and then add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon dried oregano to it. Mix it well. Once it comes to a boil, you can simmer it for 5 minutes. Okay, now let's work on the chicken part. Here for the topping, I'm using chicken tikka. I'm making the chicken tikka. So I'm taking 1 lb chicken breast here I'm using, and I'm going to cut it into small cubes. For the marination, we need 2 tablespoon yogurt, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, and a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and I used 1 teaspoon of crushed fenugreek leaves also. Whisk it well, mix everything together. Add the chicken cubes to the marinade, and let the chicken pieces coat very well with all the marinade. Let it sit for at least an hour in the refrigerator. After 1 hour of refrigeration, remove the chicken from the fridge. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it well. Transfer the chicken to the baking pan. Bake it in the preheated oven 500 degree Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. While the chicken is getting ready, you can prepare the toppings. So here I'm using the green bell pepper and onion and other things here. Halfway through, you can just give it a stir so that the chicken can cook everywhere properly. Once the dough becomes double in size, just poke the dough with the fingertips, and do not deflate. Now we can work on our pizza. Now I'm just dusting some flour on the pizza pan. With this dough, you can make 2 pizza. Just divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Now take the portion and roll the dough with your hand and a rolling pin. Now we can transfer the crust onto the pizza pan which we dusted before. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil on the crust and just brush it all over. Before adding the sauce, you can poke the top with a fork. Now you can top with the 4 tablespoons of pizza sauce which we prepared. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese over. Now place the grilled chicken on the top. Now you can add all other toppings which you like. Here I'm going to add sliced red onions and sliced green pepper. You can add all black olives too. Now sprinkle more cheese on top. You can sprinkle some red chili flakes and a little bit oregano on top and bake it in the preheated oven 500 degree for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, make sure the cheese melted and golden brown. The crust is good. Now look at that; it's perfect. So look at this yummy, delicious chicken tikka pizza. Now it's ready to slice them, and let's see. Wow, look at that thin crust and the cheese, everything melted. Yummy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another video. Bye. Take care.